What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your partners and them and everybody that we're Liddy over here. And without further ado, I appreciate y'all for being patient with your girl, because that giveaway was some time ago, and I'm glad y'all is still holding on. But no, y'all. So yeah, I wanted to announce the winner. So there was also a giveaway with the what's in my bag, the pink CC bag. The person never reached out to me even after a little bit of time, so I am sorry about that. So I'm going to be announcing two separate winners for one of each of the things, so I'll let y'all know. So let's start with the old giveaway. So the old giveaway, I'm gonna put a picture somewhere right here of the pink bag so you know what I'm talking about. I picked a new subscriber winner, and y'all know we don't have any losers on this team. Y'all know we got definitely future giveaways. I'm gonna do a little bit better with the timing. As usual, I've been getting mentally prepared for school, trying to enjoy my summer vacation. Y'all niece been chilling with her, and just doing little things. Y'all know I'm in a relationship. Y'all a little bit of everything. So I apologize, but we're gonna get back on it, and definitely make sure you keep a lookout for any future giveaways, because y'all know how we doozy over here. So for the pink bag, shout out to that girl TLA. I know, I think, am I saying it wrong? No, that girl TLA, you are the winner of the pink what's in my bag. I'll show the video right here. Congratulations. Thank you for participating. And then our next winner for the baby powder pink CC bag, we have Hello Princess. So yeah, so for our first one, we have that girl TLA. That's the first winner. Then the second winner, we have Hello Princess. If you both could send me your mailing information, I would definitely, if I can't get it shipped out this week, definitely next week. So give me about 2 or 3 weeks to ship out the stuff. Y'all know I'm good for it. So yeah, just send me your mailing information to the email. It's going to be somewhere posted on this video. Once again, thank you guys for always supporting me, and y'all just be so lit. Like, I love my channel. I love my family. Y'all just be so lit. I can't ask for a better family members than y'all, because y'all know how we rock. So once again, congratulations to both winners. Once again, don't forget to send me your mailing information to my email. That's somewhere right here. And to everybody else, we don't have any sore losers. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye.